everyone, this is Ruchira here
And this is Sally here,
and welcome back to our channel.
and today we are going to talk about some of the things that we have bought.
So let's get started with the video, but before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So the first thing that we got is a shower gel that is from Nykaa. So mine is Country Rose
And mine is Sicilian Sweet Pea.
and it's from Wonderlust Nykaa. This smell is a bit strong and it's not that long lasting though, but yeah, the smell is nice. But if you want for a very long lasting smell and something, then I don't think so you should go for this.
This is, as the name is described, it's a sweet smell and it's very mild because I love mild fragrance, so I prefer this one. And it is not that long lasting. You can use it, and it's it's also keep your body very smooth. But yeah, it's not that long lasting. If you want a long lasting one, then I will say to buy something else, but not this one.
But then quality wise it's good, like our skin doesn't get dry or anything. It's really nice in that sense, but the smell is not that strong and it won't last for long.
Yes.
That's it. And after that we got another two things from Nykaa. One is this Wonderlust body lotion.
And this is the Wonderlust French Lavender, which is a body yogurt.
Yeah, so this one is again a Sicilian sweet pea, and this one is French lavender. So this one we have tried. The smell is nice and it lasts as well. But that one we have not tried yet, so we'll let you know when we try it.
But yeah, this is a little bit stronger fragrance one than the Sicilian sweet pea one which I use. This is a little bit stronger. If you prefer the stronger one, you can always go for this, I suggest.
So the next thing that we got is perfume from Zara. This one is the Nude Bouquet. So the packaging is like this and the product looks like that. So we got the same perfume because we love the smell. It's really nice and it lasts like whole day. It lasts like even after 12 hours of duty, I still smell so fresh and so good after coming back home. So it's really nice, and if you're looking for a long lasting smell or fragrance, you should definitely go for this. And the smell is awesome.
It smells very mild, which I love a lot, and it's like kind of like fruity, floral, mild perfume. And as she said, it lasts long. It will last for like 12 hours if I'm not wrong.
Even if we wash our clothes, the smell doesn't go off. It's that good.
And also it's kind of very limited product, it's very hard to get this one in Zara most of the time. So whenever we whenever we go to Zara, we are always there to find for this perfume. We always try to find this one.
Because every time we don't get it, and when we get it, we just grab it.
Yeah, it's most of the time it's out of stock. So yeah, whenever you get this perfume, you always should go for it.
Go for this.
Best for girls.
I think you can see the name.
It's the Zara.
It's a Nude Bouquet, so you should definitely go for this.
And this is one of my favorite perfume, which is Versace Bright Crystal. As everybody know, this is like a great girly kind of perfume. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's very mild and it's very girly and it's very flowery, I can say, floral. And this is, I didn't bought this, but it's gifted by one of my dear person. So yes, you can always go for Versace Bright Crystal, which is also long lasting, and yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but it is something that you must invest on.
The next thing that I got is the Body Shop Tea Tree Mattifying Lotion. It's a really nice lotion. I have been using this from years and I really love it. It doesn't since I have like very oily skin, especially on the T-zone area and everything, I get very oily and everything. So this one helps control the oil and everything. So I just love this lotion, and it makes my skin very soft and really like my skin glows when I apply this. So that's the reason I love this lotion. The next thing that I got was this sleeping mask. I wanted to try it from a very long time. So this one is a retinol and hyaluronic acid sleeping mask. Even this is nice. My skin was really dehydrated and all because I don't use much moisturizer. This one also I'm using after like 2-3 months, I guess, because I stopped using moisturizer in between. It's very hot and humid in Chennai, so I didn't want to use any moisturizer. Especially when it's hot, I don't feel like applying anything on my face except rose water. That's all I apply. So my skin got really dry because half of the time I'm in the AC and my skin starts to get dry, everything, and especially these areas. So I wanted something which will hydrate my skin. So that's the reason I got this one. I just wanted to try it once. And it's really, really, really nice. I apply it every night. Yeah, the thing is, it's a bit pricey, I feel. It's for 175 and the quantity is not that much. It's not even like a full, doesn't even come like full. It's not even full, you can see. I've applied it though. You can't, like barely, it's half. It's empty. It's empty, it's half. Like, so that's the reason, that's the only thing that I didn't like, that they should have at least like given at least a full, since it's a very small pack. So they could have at least given the full, like it covered it fully, but they have just covered it half. So that's the only thing I didn't like about this. Like it's a bit pricey, I feel, but otherwise it does wonders to your skin. So you can try it once.
The next product is Organic Orange Blast Lip Scrubber. It's like this, if you can see. It's a very tiny small contain, and it tastes like orange candy. If you have ever had orange candy, so it tastes like that. Because my lips has become so dry, so that's the reason why I wanted to use a lip scrubber, and it is a vegan product. You will get it anywhere in a mall, so must try this. It's nice.
So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it.
If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up.
Comment down below what you want to see next, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.